Hi, I'm Jim Gordon, and you're watching Market 1 Minute. Joining us is Dr. Alex Dobranowski, the founder and CEO of MCI Onehealth Technologies. Alex, welcome.
Thank you, Jim. Thanks so much for having me today.
Okay, MCI Onehealth is calling itself a high-performance healthcare network. Can you unpack that for us?
Sure, no problem. And in order to unpack that, I wanted to take a quick step back because MCI Onehealth first started as MCI Medical, which was a large primary care group both in Ontario and in Alberta. And a year and a half ago, we had the opportunity to raise capital, and we took the old MCI Medical in a very new direction. So we added important building blocks. We added specialist services, we added imaging and medical diagnostic services. We continued to grow our corporate health services division. We added a clinical research division. And on top of that, we also now started our data-driven initiatives. Now that in total, all those building blocks on top of the foundation of primary care is what I call our high-performance healthcare network. Historically, when a patient used to come to us, they would come and see one of our GPs, and then more often than not, they would get their additional services or diagnostics elsewhere. But now that we offer these services, they're able to come to us for more of the patient journey. We're able to see that patient through, and also that helps us execute on our mission, which is making healthcare more accessible, affordable, and ultimately safer for Canadians.
And Alex, what are the company's most pressing strategic priorities?
At MCI Onehealth, we have two main strategic priorities, and both of those we need to accomplish in order to really execute on our mission. And the first is to continue to add to the healthcare services that we offer. So it's not just primary care, but we add all sorts of specialist healthcare services, diagnostic services, etc. And then our second main strategic objective is to continue on our technology competencies and our data-driven efforts. And really why that's important is we're bringing our data to life on some very exciting initiatives. Like for instance, we're able to screen our patients and catch disease earlier, or even find patients that are either misdiagnosed or completely undiagnosed for different rare or complex diseases.
And finally, Alex, what does the future look like for MCI Onehealth?
You know, in 2021, the theme for MCI Onehealth was investment and improvement. We took that core of primary care and we added those important building blocks. And that was all important work that we accomplished in 2021. And on top of that, we closed two very important acquisitions that are now fully integrated. In the near term now, and the theme for 2022 is growth and scale. So we're working hard on adding to that critical mass of healthcare services. We're growing our corporate health services division, where we now have close to 600 corporate health customers. And we're continuing now to grow on our technology and data-driven initiatives, where they'll be announcing as we're starting to complete some very important data-driven pilots.
Alex, thanks for joining us.
It was my pleasure to be here. Thanks for having me today.
Hi, I'm Jim Gordon. Thanks for watching this Market 1 Minute on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with other videos that we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click on this list to see other great videos from Market 1. And thank you again for watching.